Hi and welcome to another Tabitha's Glass Emporium YouTube video. Today we're looking at a collaborative video. When I was in Vegas, Jamaison and I came up with a project to do together where we pressed some glass to make some beautiful pressed glass, which we then added his decal to. We cut it into pieces which could then be either used as bookmarks or as hanging things. So maybe you have half and your best friend has half, or you could have three and maybe it's everyone in your book club can have a little piece, and you know when it comes together it will make you think of all the people who will also have a piece of this. So our idea was to create this piece, and we've shown you how we created our half, which is the glass part here, and then we're going to send you over Jamison's YouTube channel and he's going to show you how to attach the wafer. So this is our video showing how we made our glass part. So now you need to go over to Jamison's channel, link below, and he's going to show you how he puts his wonderful decals onto this piece of glass to make it a complete project, and he's going to talk about firing them to get the best results. So go check that out there, and until next time, happy fusing.